Hello, Buckingham students. It's me again, Mr. Payne. I got my sidekick here today.
Hi.
And we're going to show you how the game works when you're playing with two players. I wanted to give a quick shout out to Harper in Miss Gray's class and Finley in Miss Davis's class. Awesome job last week with the activities. Keep up the hard work, guys. All right, so Cody and I are going to start our game. We have a pen and paper so we can keep track of score. So Cody would roll first. All right, Cody, take your time. Oh, that was a great roll. Cody, how many did you knock down?
6.
6, all right. So Cody's going to come back, get his second roll. He's going to see if he can knock down those 4. All right, Cody. Ooh, nice try. How many did you knock down total?
2.
So, yeah, what's 6 plus 2?
8.
8. All right, so I put Cody's score down as an 8. All right, let's go reset the pins or the water bottles. Remember how to do it. You're going to put 4 in the back, right? Yep, spread them out. Make sure they're even. Yep, 3 there, a little bit closer. And then the 2. And then the 1. All right, thanks, Cody. And then it's my turn. You want to hold the paper and pen? Thank you. All right, ready? All right, got 7. Thought that had a possibility to be a strike, but it wasn't. All right, Cody, ready? And looks like I got 9 total, so I'd write down my score is 9. We would then go reset, and it would be Cody's turn again. All right, I hope everybody has a great time playing water bottle bowling. Want to say bye?
Bye.
Bye.